How to block channels on YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to stop a specific channel from appearing in your recommendations on your Android device. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, find the video from the channel you want to block. From there, tap on the three dots next to the video. At this point, tap on Don't Recommend Channel from the options that appear. In the next step, YouTube will immediately stop showing videos from that channel in your recommendations. Following this, if you want to fully block the channel from interacting with you, tap on the video to open it. Once done, tap on the channel name to go to their channel page. From here, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the channel page. At this stage, tap on Block User from the options that appear. Finally, tap on Block to confirm, and that channel will no longer be able to comment on your videos or interact with your channel in any way. And that's it. If this YouTube guide helped you block an unwanted channel, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.